A Nigerian firm has launched military drone production and assembly in the country. Lagos-based Elites Logistics and Development Services announced the decision following an agreement with original equipment manufacturer partners, The Punch revealed, citing the company's managing director Otunba David Adesanya. The firm will produce additional security equipment as well, the outlet added, without identifying the systems. The initiative intends to improve Nigeria's security infrastructure and contribute to the manufacturing industry, the outlet wrote, citing Adesanya. He added that a domestic production line would reduce delivery time, enabling a swift response from security agencies. By assembling and producing these drones locally, Elites Logistics and Development Services Limited aims to provide a swift response to the security challenges facing the nation by making a wide range of technology solutions available for surveillance, reconnaissance, and other purposes. The Nigerian outlet quoted Adesanya as saying, "Nigeria has relied on drone imports from countries such as China and Turkey to battle multi-pronged security challenges, including insurgencies and armed banditry. Over the last decade, the African nation attempted drone design projects in collaboration with foreign partners but failed, according to Oryx. Most notable among them were the Gulma and Saigumi projects. Nonetheless, they likely provided their designers with valuable experience in the design of unmanned aerial systems that one day could be used to design and produce a full-fledged Nigerian UAV," the outlet added.